Assalamu alaikum. My name is Syed Muhammad Aoun. I am working in a Bagh school. I am O-level physics teacher there. My lecture is lecture number 13 and it is related to grade 8 physics. Now I will proceed towards the next slide, that is a topic slide, and the topic that I am going to discuss and describe is the loudspeaker. In my previous topic I would discuss changing sound and the sounds that are produced by different musical instruments. Different musical instruments have different sound. The sound may be louder. If the sound is louder, it means that the amplitude of the sound is greater. If we attach the speaker with the CRO, cathode rays oscilloscope, which will display the sound, you will note that the sound with the louder amplitude or the sound with the which have greater loudness, its amplitude is greater. If we display this sound wave into the CRO, cathode ray oscilloscope, which will display the sound that is produced by certain musical instrument. So sound may be louder. If the sound is louder, it means that the amplitude of the sound is greater. That's why the sound is louder. So the loudness of the sound is depend upon the amplitude of the sound. Sound also depend upon pitch, and greater the pitch of the sound means greater the frequency of the sound. And what does frequency mean? Frequency means the number of oscillation of waves passing through any medium per second. Now I will discuss the loudspeaker. Loudspeaker are used to produce sounds from computers, radios and television sets. Television sets, you will see that the program is running in the television and you will tune your channel according to your desirable hearing. What do you like? You may increase the sound of the channel or you may decrease the sound of the channel. So there is a loudspeaker in computers, radios and television sets. Inside a loudspeaker is a paper cone. You have observed that if you see the loudspeaker, in the loudspeaker there is a paper cone. This cone vibrates back and forth to make the sounds that we hear. The sound we hear is because of the back and forth movement of the paper cone. That's why we hear the sound. The cone vibrates up and down more when it produces a louder sound. If you want to produce a louder sound, so the vibration of the cone in upward and downward direction will be greater. It vibrates up and down more frequently when the pitch of the note is higher. Basically, how does loudspeaker work? I will explain it. In the loudspeaker there are two types of magnets which are present. First magnet is permanent magnet and other magnet is an electromagnet. So there is a attraction and repulsion between electromagnet and the permanent magnet. That's why the paper cone of the loudspeaker will vibrate back and forth. If the electrical current that is passing through the electromagnet is greater, then the vibration of a paper cone will be greater, because attraction and repulsion between the two types of magnet, first one is permanent magnet and the other one is the temporary magnet, will be greater if the electrical current passing through the electromagnet is greater. So that back and forth movement of the cone result in the louder sound which is produced by the loudspeaker. I hope so you like my lecture, what I have delivered to you. You have to read this topic in your book, and I will give the home assignment in WhatsApp group. Okay, Khuda Hafiz.